Hi all, welcome back. In this video we're just going to finish off by creating the footer, and there really isn't much to this. We're just going to create a footer bar down the bottom with a copyright notice. So this should be a very quick and painless, and then you're all done. So where are we going to put it? We need to put it within the div container div. So let's make a bit of space here. Let's do footer. We're going to use the footer tag with an ID of footer. Right, so within there we are going to add a span. And within there we're going to do a copyright symbol. We can do this with the ampersand, copy, oops, semicolon. And then put the name of your website. .com. There you go, whatever. There it is. So there's your copyright symbol, and there's your website name. Obviously, if you're using PHP, you could put a date in here that's usually people put in a year, so like 2057. And then as soon as the new year rolls in, that will update to 2058. But we're not doing that. We're just going to leave it like this. So let's get styling. So making sure we are not within the media queries. Let's go up here. Let's do footer. Not much to this, I guess. So we want to target the footer ID, and we're going to do a display flex. Doesn't really matter which direction because there's only one element inside, but the default is column anyway, so let's leave that. Not much else to it. Let's background color. Background color. Let's do one I prepared earlier. There we go. And I guess we need to give it a height. 100 pixels. Scroll down, there we go. And then we're going to do align item center, justify, is it content or items? Content center. There we go, bang in the middle. But we can't see it. So let us span. Let's give it a color of BBB. There we go. Now we can see it. Should change font size. Yeah, why not? 1.2 rem. And well, that is pretty much it. So it's, yeah, that is it. We don't need to do anything with media queries because there's only this, and the container has a minimum width set to it anyway, so that will always be in the middle unless the scroll bars come in and you're, I don't know, viewing it on the thinnest mobile in the world. But that's it. So what was that? 4 minutes. Nice. So that brings us to the end of this series. Make sure everything still works, no debugging to do. Yeah. Okay, let's just go into mobile mode, make sure everything still works. So we've got menu, about, up to the top, mission, yep. We've got team, yep. The cards are all there, still work, and contact. There we go. Send email, scroll down, you'll see the footer. So that's it. Please do leave a like down and your comments down below, and please do subscribe because we'll be doing more videos. Probably we'll be doing PHP videos, so I'll be showing you how to make this send email work. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.